Do you pay your past due bills first in Xero? Well, if you're wondering about that, you're in the right place. In this quick Xero explanation, we'll dive into exactly how to manage those overdue bills and tackle them efficiently within Xero. Xero makes it easy to stay on top of your finances, but managing past due bills can sometimes feel overwhelming. So, do you prioritize them first? The answer is yes, but there's a smart way to do it that keeps your books clean and your payments on track. First, you can view all your past due bills in Xero by heading over to the Bills to Pay section. Once there, you'll see a list of your outstanding bills, including overdue ones. You'll notice that Xero automatically organizes these based on due dates, which makes it easy to see which bills need your immediate attention. If you're new to Xero, it's helpful to understand that the software doesn't force you to pay your overdue bills first. It simply allows you to manage them with a priority system. You can click on any overdue bill to see more details like the due date, payment terms, and the amount due. This way, you get a clear picture of what's outstanding without being overwhelmed. You may want to focus on those bills that have the highest priority, like ones with penalties, or those from critical vendors. And if you want to avoid missing any payments, Xero offers a payment reminder feature, which will alert you before a bill is due or overdue. Now, it's important to note that paying overdue bills isn't just about making payments in Xero. Xero helps you track the payments and ensures everything is recorded correctly in your accounts. The software's automatic reconciliation feature helps you match your bank transactions with bills, making sure everything balances perfectly. To make sure you stay ahead of past due bills in Xero, you can also customize your payment preferences. By doing so, you can prioritize certain creditors or pay off larger bills first, whatever fits your business's needs. This level of flexibility can be really helpful when you have multiple overdue bills and need to decide where to allocate funds. If you want to stay proactive, Xero's reporting features can also give you insight into upcoming due dates and historical payments. This can help you keep track of your cash flow and ensure you're not caught off guard by overdue bills. To wrap it up, while you don't have to pay your past due bills first in Xero, it's definitely a smart choice to prioritize them. Xero helps streamline the process by giving you the tools to organize, track, and make payments on your overdue bills efficiently. And the best part? You can use Xero for completely free with our exclusive bonuses. Check out the first link below to get started with your extended free trial and see how it can simplify your business's accounting. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stay ahead of your bills with Xero.